it's actually quite a bit later. It's currently 2:12. We just saw some clips from my morning and I've been out all day, hence why the blur has completely left the chat. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a little preparing for autumn. Basically just doing a bunch of like autumn activities. So it's currently the 21st of March. So we're almost like a month into autumn where I live. But it's just been really nice weather. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of boiling in this jumper. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. The jumper is from Roxy. My shorts are from Glassons. The pink top that I'm wearing underneath is also from Glassons. And I was wearing my Ugg boots before, but I got too hot, so they're over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing like some baking, make a vision board. I want to make a candle, go on a full walk. I'll probably end up redoing my nails. I did these only the other day, but it's just nail polish. Maybe I'll paint them more of like an autumn color. Okay, so you're bouncing on my mirror, so hopefully you don't fall. The first thing I got is this like massive hairspray. I always just use this little one, but it came in a bigger size. I don't have to get a new one for a little bit. And then from Cotton On, I got two things. I got a new sports bra for like gym and practice. You can't really see it, but it's got like a really nice like crisscross at the back. And then I got this long sleeve. So I'm gonna put it on so you can see it a bit better. This is what it looks like. It's just a nice scoop neck. And then it's got like a cable knit down here and then just like normal at the top. I think it's so cute and so perfect for like winter and autumn. But right now I'm gonna start making a Pinterest board. So we're gonna make the board together and yeah. So I have Pinterest open and now I'm gonna make my autumn board. And I'm just gonna call it autumn with the exclamation mark that I do for all of my boards. And now I'm just gonna start pinning some pictures. Okay, so it's a little while later and I've got quite a good start on my autumn board. So I'm gonna give you a little tour. I'll probably add like a bunch of more things to this board throughout the week. And just when Pinterest shows me more good pins, I'll kind of just show you what I pinned and why. Her hair is really cute and I love the headband. I lost my headband and I literally can't find it. I think I lost it when we went on holiday. Ugg boots, just cozy vibes. Hair inspo, picture inspo, cute outfits. And then like reading, because that's just super cozy. And I really want to get a scarf and yeah. Hey guys, so it's a couple of days later. I thought I would continue this vlog. So I'm gonna do some baking in a minute, but first I really need to clean my room. This is the current state of my floor and I didn't make my bed yet, but I'm gonna fix that real quick. Do a little room reset. Also, the other day I made this candle. I need to clean the wax around it and cut whatever this thing's called. But I think it's so cute and that will be the extent of decorating my room. And it's scented. It's the scent that just came with the candle making set. It's called like Ocean or something. So not very autumn. I don't really burn my candles that often. It's gonna be in my room for a while, so it needs to just be like a nice basic smell. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly clean my room and then we're gonna get into some baking. I'm gonna do a caramel slice, I think. And yeah. guys, it's a couple days later. Ignore the atrocious lighting. It's so rainy today and the lighting in my room has just disappeared. But anyways, I'm gonna paint my nails now and I'm gonna do them red. This is the nail polish I'm gonna be using. I don't know where it's from. It's not even mine. And I've got my UV lamp and I've got my placemat down so I don't spill on my desk. So I just finished up my nails. I think they turned out really good. And this nail polish lasts quite a long time too. Very autumn. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment what video you want to see next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.